CNP featured research. This is your Diet Mental Health Break number 63, brought to you by the Center for Nutritional Psychology. 2 minutes to learn and be good to yourself. Does the availability of palatable food in your environment influence what you eat? Let's find out. Although people have different preferences for food, they cannot always act on them. An important limitation is availability. No matter how much we want certain food, we can eat it only if it is available to us. Study author Natália Medina and her colleagues sought to investigate the relationship between the availability of palatable food in one's environment and 3 aspects of eating behavior: cognitive restraint, uncontrolled eating, and emotional eating. They believed that these aspects of eating behavior would be associated with how rich a person's environment is in palatable foods and whether the person is dieting. They also believed that individuals practicing these eating behaviors more often would have a higher body mass index. Study participants were 413 individuals between 18 and 60 years of age. They were all Brazilian. 91% of the people were from São Paulo. They completed the Power of Food Scale, a self-report questionnaire designed to measure the psychological impact of living in food-rich environments, and the 3-factor eating questionnaire, which assesses the 3 previously mentioned aspects of eating behavior. Results showed that the presence and availability of palatable foods were associated with higher levels of uncontrolled eating and emotional eating. Individuals who reported palatable foods as more available tended to report higher levels of cognitive restraint as well. Individuals who reported practicing all 3 types of eating behaviors more tended to have higher body mass index. Additionally, those who reported currently dieting were more prone to engage in both cognitive restraint and emotional eating. This suggests that health protection strategies should consider the impact of people's food environment when designing interventions to prevent and manage eating behavior impairments. They should also take into account the vulnerability of individuals practicing restrictive diets to emotional eating. Our thanks to Natália Medina and her colleagues for conducting this informative analysis. This Diet Mental Health Break is brought to you by the Center for Nutritional Psychology. CNP.